Benefits of Saw Palmetto with source. Benefits: prevents hair loss, improves urinary tract function, may support prostate health, may decrease inflammation, may help regulate testosterone levels. Doctor's Best Saw Palmetto Review. Description: science-based nutrition, helps support healthy prostate function. Dietary supplement, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, helps support healthy function of the prostate gland and urinary tract. Doctor's Best Saw Palmetto contains standardized saw palmetto extract guaranteed to supply 85% to 95% saw palmetto fatty acids and some beneficial plant sterols, which are the herbs' key active ingredients. Saw Palmetto has been widely studied for prostate-related urinary function. The extraction method used on this saw palmetto prevents solvent residues. Suggested use: take 1 softful daily with or without food, or as recommended by a nutritionally informed physician. Other ingredients: softful capsule, gelatin, glycerin, purified water. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.